Hi, I'm Debbie. So today we're talking about Northwestern, which I love a lot. First time I used to watch Deadliest Catch from like way in the beginning, and I loved Phil Harris, and then after Phil Harris left us, unfortunately, Sig was like, super awesome, and I loved Sig, and then probably 11 years ago, I got to see Sig and his brother and a deckhand, Jake, I think his name was, at Epcot in Disney, or in Florida of all places, and super duper pregnant in the middle of the heat, monstrously, disgustingly hot. I wait in like this long line just so I could see them and take a picture with them. Super corny, but whatever. So now I live in Ballard, and they come in and out of flocks all the time. Well, during before and after fishing season, like this massive boat that's coming up in the locks, just super big. You got a large locks, and then you've got a smaller lock over here. There you go.
This is our home, and this is where we live in Seattle, Washington. That's me, Eric, my wife, Roshri, and these are our kids. We got tired of the usual corporate America, long hours, living for the weekends and living for retirement. We decided to make a change. We moved out the Pacific Northwest. We cut our expenses, we cut our income, and we decided we were going to focus on what matters most. Life, experiences, spending time with our kids, spending time with our friends and family, making the most of every single day, and truly living life to its fullest. So come join us as we explore this world. It's a lot to see and a lot to do. Let's get going.
So anyway, so here comes like these boats. So I knew that Sig was coming in from this fishing excursion in Alaska through the AIS, and which is, we can check maps to see where they're at. So one day, I see him coming down. I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm going to see him, but it was taking forever. So I went and I camped out on Golden Gardens, which is just past here actually, and on the sound portion, and this beautiful sunset coming down, stuff and stuff. Thank you. And I saw, lo and behold, I know that it was his boat, because we've gone chasing his boat before, and you can see in other videos I was actually kissing his boat while it was docked up. And I saw it in the dark, and I knew it was his boat, so I jump in the car with my kids, fly over to a different dock, which is also on the sound closer this way, and lo and behold, there was Sig, and he came out, and he was like super nice. I was really scared and embarrassed, because I was nervous to think he was going to think I was some stupid fool. But he was like super cool, told me to come on, and I took a picture of him, and we talked for a little while. I told him about Epcot, and now he's right up here. So it's super cool. And
Not here, as in on this boat.
No, not here. Right past
Northwestern is currently just up past the lock entrance here on the left.
Yeah, that's usually where all the fishing boats, like the Wizard's there as well. He actually saw, my husband Eric saw the boat come into the locks just the other day. So it was pretty cool. Bye.
And there we are from the water. What you doing, little thing? Psst, psst. Hey. Say hi. There you go. Alright, here we are in the Pacific Fisherman shipyard. Very, very, there you can see the name on the sign. You can actually see these boats from the shore, although it's kind of difficult where I've got the Northwestern right now. But from water, or from the air, it sure makes it easier. Actually, she got a fresh paint. New crest on the front last year. Whoops, let's turn this boat wrong way. Oh God, there we go. There we go. Mortal Northwestern right here. Salmon Bay, north side of Seattle, just inside the Ballard locks. She is back in now, 2022. Back in from the last season, came back about 3 weeks ago. This is March now. And she has a new cellmate, just arrived a few days ago. Ta-da! That's right. Read the front there. There is the Wizard. Just back in. Ready for its annual maintenance as well. Of course, make sure you click over. Check out the Wizard video. We've got some awesome videos from last year. And one from this year as well. Just putting out at the same time as this one. Let's check her out from the air.